It's a Wilton horizontal bandsaw. It's got variable speed on the blade. Mario, if you want to show that. Right over here. Okay. Here, moving a little faster. A little bit slower there. Okay, so it's a single cut manual. Just raise it up and. Okay, what's that?
That adjustable key.
Okay, got the and lower it there like that. Okay, then automatic shut off. And then the pump in the back, Mario.
Right here is on and off here.
Okay. What's the voltage on it?
220 single phase.
220 single phase.
It could be wired 110 too also.
Can also be wired 110.